How to put price in TikTok Shop. Add product prices on TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you will be able to add the prices of the different products that you're going to add. Now to be able to add a product, simply look over here on the left side. On their homepage, you have the product section over here. Simply click on the drop down. And over here, you will have and see all of these options that you have over here. If you already have a product that you want to manage and change the price to, simply view your managed products over here, and this is where you will be able to edit it. But since I don't have any product yet, simply click on add new product over here, and we will be redirected to another page wherein we will be able to add different types of product. Now in this section, you're going to be asked the basic information. And over here at the bottom, as you can see, there is no price yet, but you're going to have to complete the section over here at the top. So let's say Uniqlo black and white t-shirt with dragon design. Like that. And after that, you should auto select the category. And now in this section over here at the bottom, there we go. You will now be able to enter the price and stock over here. So simply put in the retail price that you want, let's say 1,000, then simply enter the other information that are currently being required and submit for a review. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.